There's something about the name Liberty Peak that instantly sets expectations high, and honestly, this tiny house lives up to it. It challenges a lot of the assumptions people usually have about tiny living, and shows that downsizing doesn't have to mean giving up comfort or style. When most people think about tiny homes, they picture squeezing their entire life into a super small space, often with compromises everywhere. And while tiny houses have been around for decades, especially in the form of trailer homes in the US, they've recently made a comeback as a serious alternative to traditional housing. These days, you'll find everything from fully mobile units you can tow around to larger park models that stay put. And it's usually those park models that really start to feel like a real home. This particular home comes from Tiny Ida Homes, a builder known for doing things a little differently. And with Liberty Peak, they've really leaned into the idea of creating a compact space that still feels complete. Everything is on the ground floor, which is already a big deal in the tiny house world, and the layout is designed to feel open and practical instead of cramped. It sits on a custom quad-axle trailer and measures 32 feet long and 10 feet wide. That extra width means it's not something you'll easily tow around, but the trade-off is a noticeably roomier interior. It's clearly built with full-time living in mind, rather than constant travel. Inside, the layout flows naturally. The bedroom is at the front, the living area greets you as you walk in, and the kitchen sits right alongside it. The bathroom, though, is where things really stand out. It's surprisingly spacious for a tiny home, with a shower that includes a small tub, a stylish marble surround, a large vanity, and even space for a washer-dryer combo. There's also a proper toilet and extra storage, which you don't always get in homes this size. The living room feels bright and welcoming thanks to plenty of natural light, and it's just the right size for a comfortable couch and a TV. The kitchen, on the other hand, feels almost oversized in comparison, featuring sleek appliances, modern cabinetry, copper sink, and high-end countertops. It doesn't feel like a compromise at all. The bedroom is tucked behind a barn door, offering a bit of privacy, and it includes space for a queen-size mattress along with built-in storage. What's interesting here is that many tiny homes rely on lofts for sleeping, but this one proves you can have a proper ground floor bedroom without sacrificing the rest of the layout. Beyond the layout, the build quality also stands out. With durable siding, a metal roof, solid insulation, and climate control, it's clearly designed for year-round living. The finishes inside add warmth and character, making it feel more like a cozy modern home than a downsized compromise. Price-wise, it starts at just over $90,000, with the featured version going higher due to added upgrades. But even if you're not in the market to buy, it's still a great example of what's possible. This home shows that tiny living doesn't have to mean sacrificing comfort or functionality. With the right design and attention to detail, a small space can still feel like a big step toward freedom.